direction lang, ito sinasabing tama sila. Hindi ibigay namin. Lahat kami dito, I don't think any one of us means to disrespect the house. Ang ginagawa lang namin dito ay pinaglalaban yung karapatan namin magsalita at magpahayag. Hindi po kami naghahanap ng sakit ng katawan. Pero, kung yun po ang i-reflect nyo sa amin, sakit ng ulo, sakit ng katawan, isa lang naman mensahe namin dito. You don't scare us. Sa araw-araw naman, pag nag-decide kami maglagay ng saloobin sa social media, automatic yun, tinanggap namin, nababash kami. Noong 2016, nung nag-decide ako, to show my support candidate named Rodrigo Duterte, alam kong maraming maaasar at hindi lang asar. I lost so many friends. Ilang pala ako. Pakalagin. But that's the choice you make. When you decide to be honest, you want to say something, you accept the consequences. That's what adults do. Unfortunately, we are ruled sometimes, I'm not saying this is just in the house or it's in the house, but by people who are in dire need of adult supervision. And that's really sad. Kasi, we expect our officials, binoto natin sila because we thought that they could do that. Ang lungkot naman na they think that they can do this because time is on their side. Kumbaga, okay lang, napastanganin natin ang karapatan nitong taong to. Anyway, they have to go to court to defend their rights. It's gonna take some time, and in the meantime, i-detain natin sila. Because that's what's happening now. Hindi kami takot. Mas matalino lang kami. Woo! Also, hapon lang po. Aside from sa television, we are not Filipinos for nothing. Yes! May tanong po ba kayo?
Marami.
Baka hindi tayo gamihin. Thank you. First, I'd like to congratulate everyone for the courage that you showed to inspire the Philippine people. Yung tanong ko is addressed to Attorney Trixie actually. No? Attorney Trixie, para lang din sa kapanan ng mga maraming nanonood mo at sa isang payak na pagpapaliwanag. After today that we or you submitted the petition sa Supreme Court, ang House po ba can still execute yung mga show cause orders or yung mga subpoena na nabanggit nila kanina? It depends on what the action is from the court. Dahil ang aming petition ay may prayer for temporary restraining order, kung may ERO, wala na po yun. Because natitigil mo na yung pagdidinig at yung pagsamang sa amin. Kung wala pong TRO, they will continue. Okay lang yan sa amin. We've taken the matter to the court. Like we said, hindi naman kami natatakot. You will decide what to do should they decide to pursue issuing these show cause orders or other forms of communication.
Do we think po ba na, do we think po ba na kahit pagkatapos ng araw na ito na nag-petition na tayo, ay gagawin pa rin ng HOR yung mga gusto nilang gawin hanggat naglabas ng decision yung, or as a result, yung petition na sinabing natin?
Hindi ko mag-guess or presuppose ano ang gagawin ng Kongreso. However, it would be material to look at the time. May oras pa ba magtawag ng panibagong pagdidinig? May oras pa ba na hindi nila yung mga show cause orders na yan? Kasi show cause means we are entitled to explain at kailangan mag-decide sila objectively on whatever action we want to take on the show cause orders. If there is material time, I suppose, then they will try to execute them.